Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 22, 2023 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon December 22, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, December 22, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 22, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 523 million pesos for Friday, December 22, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of December 22, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.